Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, we will solve a problem to find the voltage of a given circuit using Ohm's law in TypeScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, so write a program that uses Ohm's law to find the voltage of the circuit with given current 4 ampere and the resistance of 20 ohms and display the results on the screen. So we have here several comments. Var current 4, var resistance 20, we declare the variable. To apply the principles of Ohm's law to find the voltage, we simply declare another variable var voltage equals current multiplied by resistance, opening close parentheses. And then in this line of code, we have here math floor voltage for multiply by 100 over 100 decimal places. And then we have here the title voltage solver in TypeScript, the given current here, resistance, and then the voltage and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Let us go with our Visual Studio Code to run the program. To run C space voltage .ts, enter. Let us wait for the compilation process to take place. Okay, to run node space voltage .js. Okay, so we have here voltage solver in TypeScript, given current 4 amperes, given resistance 20. The voltage is 80 volts and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on voltage solver in TypeScript programming language. Thank you so much for your support in watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.